Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will learn how to generate JSON response from Spring Boot application. Spring Boot JSON response example. Generating JSON response in Spring is straightforward because it has built-in support via JSON, which is automatically included in Spring Boot starter web dependency. When you use the @REST controller, Spring automatically converts Java object to JSON. So we will be writing this. This is the REST controller, and it will convert the Java class into the JSON. So let's write an example. Request mapping and slash example JSON and public map get JSON, and we will create an example of new hash map and java.util and m dot add m dot put, let's say, name country USA and return m. So this will return the JSON object. So let's run the example. Right click, run a Java application. The request URL is it should be get mapping. We need to restart the application. Right click, run as Java application. Slash example JSON, and so it generated the JSON output. So in this way you can generate the JSON output in Spring Boot application. Now I will show you how you can generate the JSON output using a class. So create a class, new class user, and add the methods and constructor. Now generate the source, generate getters and setters for all generate. So setters and getters is generated. So our user class is ready. Now we can create another get mapping with this. So get mapping is user and get user, and it is returning the object of user. Now run it, run a Java application. and here you put user, so it generated the JSON string from the user. And view page source, you can see the JSON string. So it is very easy to generate the JSON response in a Spring Boot application. You need to use the REST controller and then return that Java class. So it is, in this case I am returning a map, and in this case I am returning the Java class object. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.